Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Lightsail for low-cost VPS hosting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon Lightsail homepage. Click on the Get Started button. If you already have an Amazon account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Create a new AWS account. Follow the prompts to enter your account details, including your email address and password. Complete the registration process by providing your payment information. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the Amazon Lightsail dashboard. Look for the Create Instance button on the dashboard and click it. You will now see options for creating your virtual private server. Select your preferred operating system from the available choices. Choose an instance plan that fits your budget and needs. Review the specifications for your selected plan, including CPU, memory, and storage. In the instance name field, enter a unique name for your server. Optionally, add tags to help you organize your instances later. Scroll down to review your selections, then click on the Create Instance button. Wait a few moments while Amazon Lightsail sets up your VPS. Once the instance is running, you will see it listed on your dashboard. Click on the instance name to access details and management options. You can now connect to your VPS using SSH or any remote desktop protocol. Start configuring your server to suit your hosting needs. Familiarize yourself with the Lightsail features and tools available in the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Amazon Lightsail for low-cost VPS hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.